Whoa! How did you get here?
I don't know. Okay, today I'm gonna teach you. I'm gonna teach you Hangul. Can you draw here?
On top?
Yeah, on top.
Okay.
What is that?
He is kicking. So okay. This is a
Oh, nose. Okay.
That's the end. And this is missing the door. And so this is the laptop. And that is the computer mouse.
What?
L.
What is that?
L laptop.
Laptop.
Yeah, and that's the computer mouse. Just connected.
Oh wow! I don't know what that is. Okay.
Alice for snake.
You know that thing that hangs up their mouth and they're screaming? Do you know the thing at the back of your mouth? Wait. You know, the campfire and there's like a sunset? And so that is S.
Oh, okay. That's cool.
Yeah.
Yeah. Sunset.
And then O is nothing.
Jogging.
Yeah.
Okay.
Jumping. It was a jumping.
Oh, jumping. And you know what? There's a hidden J here.
Yeah.
Okay.
J for jumping. And that is the J.
Yeah.
And then this is cha. Because it is a child. Whoa! I'm a child!
Child. Small heads. Child. Okay.
This is the car key?
Mm-hmm.
This does not look like a car key.
That's the alarm.
And that is a T. But it's just rotated.
Yeah. It's hidden T. Okay.
And then pi. Because that is the mathematical equation.
Mm-hmm. Okay, a man who wearing hat. Okay, cool. Do you remember why it was ah?
Because somebody stabbed them and they're saying ah.
Oh, that's a good idea. You should What about this?
That's already inside. So you say, oh.
So wait. Stab me. Ah! Oh! Ah! Oh! This is the
golf team.
Yeah. For some reason, so it's O. Cause it's circle, so it's O.
Okay. And this
Died. So the ooh. So ah oh.
Ooh. It's easier. Ooh, thumb down.
Ooh.
It's the thumb down. Ooh.
Thumb down.
So this one, the horizontal one, yeah, exactly same as the shape of your mouth. Ooh, ooh. It looks like H. H. It starts A.
A.
That's why it's A.
Cause you don't say H.
And this one, it looks like H. And let's think this one is friends of H. So this one is also A. Friends, these two friends. And this?
So that is O.
Mm-hmm.
OE.
OE, but this one is exception. So it should be OE, but sounds like we.
Oe.
It's exception one. What about this?
Oe.
Mm-hmm. We. It's same sound as we. These three all same. We. Slightly different, but we can say all way.
Why?
Because here, we.
Yeah, we. Oe.
But sounds same, right?
Yeah. I could just read it.
Yeah, just read it.
Ui.
Ui. That one is
And then
ui.
언니 어디?
나. 화장실 갔어요.
화장실 갔어요? Did I teach you 받침? Okay, this time I'm gonna teach you 받침.
A is the A sound. If you add one more horizontal line to A, it becomes ya. So, when you add one more horizontal line and say it, you should add pronouns Y before the A, like ya, ya. It's the same for the other vowels. When you add one more line, you should pronounce a Y first. So, 여, 오, 요, 우, 유, 에, 예, 에, 예. When there are double consonants like 쌍기역, 쌍디귿, 쌍지읒, 쌍비읍, 쌍시옷, you should put stress on the first sound like 까, 따, 짜, 빠, 싸. 아메리카노, 아메리카노. 커피, 커피. 페루, 페루. 쿠바, 쿠바. 바나나, 바나나. 키위, 키위. 코리아, 코리아.